This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Lakeview East, to a location that's close to Belmont Harbor and the 18-mile lakefront trail, to meet Max for a walk through one of the apartments at 3130 North Lakeshore Drive.
Welcome to 3130 North Lakeshore Drive, right in Lakeview East, right on the lakefront here. We're in a studio apartment, apartment 1402 in the living room. Lots of natural light in this living room.
Lots of space for a studio too, Max.
Yeah, it's a nice size. You got room for a bed here. It's got a nice open layout too. So we've got the kitchen there on the right. Kind of a little walkthrough here. All like appliances, cabinets, and then of course this is where we would have entered the apartment. Some good closet space there on the side as you come in, and some more good closet space. We have a walk-in closet on your way into the bathroom.
Also in all white. The medicine cabinet and the designer sink.
Yeah, it's all white, so you know it's really good with natural light. It's a really nice studio space here, and it's a great building too. 3130 Lakeshore Drive. I mean, it's just a great location, right in Lakeview East, right on the lakefront bike paths, bike trails, and then of course all the restaurants and bars and nightlife on the street Broadway. It's a good building, dog friendly with no pet fees. There's a fitness center, a business center, just a great place to live.
Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.